Hello, dear students. We've been discussing a sound of thunder. It can't be killed, Eccles pronounced this verdict quietly as if there could be no argument. The rifle in his hands seemed a toy gun. We were fools to come. This is impossible. These were the words said by Eccles after having learned the situation in the forest when the giant animal, a great monster, who approached them and saw them. Immediately, Eccles felt this was an impossible mission. They would any time be killed, they would be eaten and swallowed. And he compared the personality of the dinosaur with the tools they brought. The tool they had to kill this particular animal was gun. It was like a child gun, the gun which is used by children. It appeared like that. It appeared like that. Now let's take a look at page number 72 and see the progress of this lesson. Shut up, hissed Travis. Nightmare. Turn around, walk quietly to the machine. We will remit half your fee, commanded Travis. Excuse me, Eccles, you seem to be very disgusting. Why do you talk like this nonsense? It's very close to us. If you don't have guts, make a move. Get into the machine. We'll give back some amount which you paid. How much did Eccles pay? $10,000. Walk quietly to the machine. We'll remit half your fee. I didn't realize it would be this big. I miscalculated. That's all. And now I want out. So this man doesn't want to stay at any cost. He wants to move away as early as possible. He says and admits he didn't expect the situation would be like this. It ceases. There is red paint on its chest. The tyrant lizard raised itself. Its armored flesh glittered like 1,000 green coins. The coins, crusted with slime, steamed. In the slime, tiny insects wriggled, so that the entire body seemed to twitch and undulate. Please do write the word wriggle. It's been part of the glossary. It means to twist or turn the body. Ray Bradbury is giving us all details of the situation and the animal's physical beauty, how it looks at that point of time. Its body is full of wriggles and insects.